Excited to see it. I have no idea what to anticipate, so this is a surprise for both of us. So let's go.
Fully loaded.
Thank you very much. It was a great stay.
Guys, we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Alrighty. Hotel hopping. We're going from Ovolo 1888 to Ovolo Woolloomooloo, which is completely different again. Not a heritage building like this one, but it's actually a big old wharf. But first, we're going to go to Paddington, visit some friends, do a spot of shopping, and then what time's checkout?
Check out.
Check out, check in.
We've already checked out.
Where we've checked out.
I don't know.
When's check in?
Oh, probably 2.
Well, so we've got a bit of time to kill before check in.
Is it hot?
Yeah. So that's not a good sign. What's wrong?
Not sure.
Life on the road. Isn't it grand? So that's fun. So it's working now?
No, it's not. I just manually connected it together temporarily.
Oh, wow. I'm lucky to have you, babe.
Yeah, you are. Are you done though?
Yeah, no, I am done. Like, really done. Oh no, I've made the right decision. Literally just bought the same thing I'm wearing in a different colour and a few other things. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. See you guys.
Bye.
Thanks.
This is such a cool building, Jono. I'm so excited to check into an air-conditioned hotel room in my entire life. Woolies. Do you want some?
Sure. I just want Coke bottles.
Oh, you just want Coke
Only
bottles?
Coke bottles.
Okay. Come on!
Don't leave without me.
Oh, hello. Guess what?
Right.
We get to press the sweets. Boom! Oh my god. Oh, I like that. That's a vibe right there. Look at the stack.
And that messes with my eyeballs.
Freaking me out. There's that free minibar again. Very well. Do you know what? I might have to have a beer or something. Oh my god, this is. Hang on. Oh my god.
Now we've got 2 levels.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
There's
my
an
god.
upstairs.
Oh my god, this is so big. Look at this. This is sick. This is so big. Look upstairs. Oh my god. Shut up.
Oh, why'd you eat all the lollies already?
Oh my god. Oh my god. How many hotel rooms have enough room for a gallery wall, let alone a living space? And then, oh my lord. Oh my God, look at this bed. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. The artwork in here is something else. What? I love it. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, I'm gonna open these up. That's gonna be beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I can just call reception to have a body pillow delivered to the room. There's so much to love about this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna come and have a look in here. Oh, this is really nice. Oh my God. Tell you what, Jono, we've been very spoiled. I really like the grey tile with that really dark charcoal grab. That's really nice. Oh. Would you like
Can you get me a water?
sparkling?
Oh yeah,
what?
whatever's going.
There you go. Here you go, sir.
Scott, I might sit in the window.
Go sit in the window. Chill out. Just take a load off. You've done a great job. Here you go. You keep the key because I lose them.
You always misplace them or say, "Where's the key? I don't have a key."
I love this room. I love this, how big it is. I love like how I was tired when I got here and now I'm like, energy, probably because of all the sugar I've eaten.
Most likely because of the sugar.
And I just had a cheeky glass of rosé, free from the minibar. And we're gonna go downstairs for happy hour and check out this pad because this wharf, the finger wharf, looks epic.
So we're going outside. Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I'm matching the interiors. I really want to sit now in one of those pink chairs because I feel like I'm matching. Should we do that?
Probably are.
The same as the chair.
You're a bit too matchy-matchy.
Should we go outside and see if the cool change has actually happened?
It should have, but I don't think it has. Let's check it. Quick gear check. What do we need?
Drone,
Got it. Yep.
2 cameras,
Filming on one on my back.
mic,
Yeah, in the bag. Gimbal. Yeah. All right.
me,
Oh yeah, host.
host, check.
Host of the show. Where are we going?
We're going to Avalon. Fancy. We're going to go meet Ian Bennett from Ian Bennett Design, funnily enough, and we're going to take a look through the Lightwells House. And I'm very excited because usually I know exactly what I'm walking into. Like,
We haven't seen it.
I've only seen a couple of
only just finished.
pieces, so I don't even know. Like I'm talking like corners and like Lightwells, and it's literally called Lightwells. Excited to see it. I have no idea what to anticipate, so this is a surprise for both of us. So let's go. I read your submission, so you actually worked on the lower level when you were at a different practice.
Yeah, when I was at a
level.
different practice.
Okay.
I didn't design it, but I was a project architect on it.
Right.
So it was my first actually job running on site.
Really?
Yeah. So it was just this lower level. This was here, but then we excavated behind that
Right.
and propped the whole house up,
Wow.
and then put in bedrooms and stuff behind there. And so this is existing, basically from this. Well, it was from here
Wow.
back, was existing,
Yeah.
not in this redone format, but
Yeah.
it was existing, and then there was a little set of stairs that came up here to similar living dining kitchen, but it was a lot smaller than this. So the idea was how do you connect the old with
Yeah.
the new?
Yeah.
You actually separate it.
I love that. The
So
light
that,
one.
yeah, the light.
The light
And their
one.
last name's Wells.
Oh, is it?
Wells,
I love
Lightwells
that.
House. Yeah. Instead of just smashing something together like that, why don't we separate it, let it breathe, old, transition, new.
I love it.
I proposed this, and the builder, who I've done a lot of work with, and I'm still doing a lot of work with, he said to me, "Are you sure about green? Are you sure?" I said, "No,
I was
trust
going
me,
to
trust
say
me."
it is green, right?
Yeah,
I was
it
going to
is,
say it's
but-
like a really, really
but it's
pale,
really soft.
almost eucalypt or
Yeah,
something.
that's it. It's a
is it?
eucalypt green. Yeah, it's very, very soft.
Oh,
And when you see it just as a sample like that, without anything around it, you think, he even made me double guess. sort of like,
yeah.
yeah, it's all right, mate. Just trust me. And then we did it. And then what does he do? He wants to now do it. He's just done it at his house.
Really?
Yeah,
Has he?
we've done his house.
What is this? Like,
This
what
is
that?
Bengali. Well, that's,
Bengali.
Oh no, that's not. That you're seeing through there is Indian Head.
Okay.
So Avalon Beach is just around that headland.
Right.
And then this is Bengali Headland, and that's Bengali Head
Wow.
up the top there.
So it keeps sloping up.
Yeah,
Interesting site.
yeah.
So what's your exterior in order
It's
to?
aluminium,
Yeah.
which we get a 50-year guarantee on,
Right.
rather than using Colorbond or a steel, because steel just degrades with all the
Right.
salt. So aluminium exterior and brick. Don't have to do anything with brick.
Yeah.
So it's just maintenance free.
You're used, because you live around here as well,
I
so
do,
you're
yeah.
used to kind of this
Yeah.
kind of extreme
Yeah.
climate and sort of weather conditions
Yeah.
you have to deal with.
And part of what my design aesthetic is trying to do low maintenance builds.
Yeah.
And they probably cost a little bit up front, but
Yeah.
it just saves so much time through their life.
Yeah,
No one's got time these days to be maintaining houses.
No.
So where I can, I try and really push hardy materials that will withstand this climate or these weather conditions that come through here. That's there. That's the connection back downstairs.
That's beautiful. Oh, it's a lovely little pocket, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gosh, that's quite dramatic. Wow. Oh, Ian. Oh, wow. This is special.
Yeah.
Oh, I just
Pretty
love
nice.
this. I love how open it is, but you've just got this divide and open wet area. This feels good. Oh my
I
goodness.
made sure to frame Indian Head through there.
Wow.
That's their full view.
There's something kind of graphic about it though
It's-
that's so good.
Yeah.
Because you've got this kind of strong shape
And
anyway.
you've got that beautiful branch of the Norfolk Island just framing it as well.
Yeah.
They're not another colour, it's either black, brick.
Yeah.
So
I love that brick. To be honest, the brick softens it because it's such high contrast, especially when you're out the front, and the brick just kind of warms it up, and it starts to then feel part of its environment as well, because you've got such older sort of,
Yeah.
with the weatherboards and that kind of older feeling. So that brick really helps it. We're back. We're out of Sydney. We've been driving for nearly 2 hours and we are now coming into Newcastle.
This is the inspo board.
Well, we have all these things in our mind and we're kind of like, let's just get it on a board and then we can look at it and yeah, get inspired.
Uh-oh. What happened? Hella storm. That was brutal.
We're getting close to Queensland. I can feel it. Things are bigger.
Things are
Air's
warmer.
heavier and stickier. We've seen sugarcane. It's exciting. We're about to cross the border.